Hi, how are you doing? Now in this video we're going to learn about reverse and sort methods. Okay, they are reordering methods. Okay, so let's begin with example. So let's create an array of values. So let's just give numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want to do is I want to reverse the order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's very easy. Values, and you want to use the reverse method. Okay, reverse. Okay, so it should have done the job. So let's see it in the console. So values, refresh, and as you can see 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's how reverse works. Pretty easy and very useful. All right, so let's also do sort method. Okay, so what you can do is let's take the same array, and sort method puts item in the ascending order. Okay, so it puts the smallest value first and the largest value last. So let's try them out. Let's console log, and what I want to do is I want to take the values and then I want to use the sort method. I want to apply the sort method. So let's see what happens. Refresh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So smallest value first, and so that's a default behavior. But let's apply that in a different context. For example, let's say 0, let's say 10, let's say 50, let's say 100, let's say 150. Okay, so let's see how it works. We got the same, right? 0, 10, 100, 150, and 50. As you can see, this is not the result we wanted, right? See, the 50 came at the end. So the reason it happened is this method, the sort method, used the string function every time, then compares the string to determine the correct order. So behind the scene, it converts the numbers to string. So that's how we get unpredictable results. So as you can see, it was beginning with 5, so it ended up at the end. You can see. So this sort method, it does the type conversion from numbers to strings. So there's a solution, but before we do that, let's try it. Let's try applying it with a string. Let's see how it works. Okay. So names, let's say apple, banana, orange, mango, all my favorite fruits, fig. Okay, so we got an array of fruits. So what I want to do is I want to sort them out alphabetically. So console log values sort. Okay, so what happens here? Let's see. Apples, banana, fig, A, B, C, D, E, F, M, N, O. So it seems to work correctly with the string. But when you're using the sort method, you don't always want this ascending order or descending order. You want to be able to change. Sometimes it might be ascending, sometimes it might be descending. You want to change the order, right? So this is not super useful. So what we can do is we can pass a function to the sort method. Okay, that is one of the best thing about sort. So let's use on this one, and then we'll come back to this string example. Okay, so this one we didn't get the expected results. So to fix that, we can create a function and we can pass in the sort method. Okay, so I haven't teach you about the functions yet, so if you don't understand it, that's perfectly fine. When we cover the functions, then it'll make perfect sense. For the moment, just know that you can pass the function. In fact, function I think we did. So let me create a function. So what I want to do is function compare. I'm going to create a function called compare, and then I'll pass two values, value 1, value 2. Okay, and then I return val 2 minus val 1, and this will do the trick. Now when we apply this function to compare, so let's see this in action. So first, as you can see, 150, 150, 10 and 0. We were able to sort it properly because it doesn't convert to string anymore. It just it's like a mathematical comparison. Yeah? So it doesn't. The reason it works now is because it's not converting to the string, because we have used this mathematical operator. So it works. Now if we want the or the other way, we can easily do that. We can do val1 minus val2 return, and as you can see, it works. So that's how we can use this function to sort the numbers. However, this one doesn't actually work on this one, on the string. So it works on the numbers, but if you try to apply it on string, let's say sort compare. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, apples, banana, orange, mango, M, A, B, C, D, E, F. So it's not working. So instead of using this mathematical operator, what we can do is we can use the comparison operator. Okay. So what we can do is, let's use the if statement and say if value 1 is smaller than value 2, then return -1. Else if return 1, and then if that doesn't work, then return 0. Okay. So 1 obviously means it's a boolean true or false, or the -1, it's what it does is it doesn't say false, it doesn't say true either. So it works like it's waiting for the value. Okay, so it expects. So that's how -1 works. Okay, so neither true or false, it's -1, it's waiting for the change. Let's give it a try. Unexpected token 17. Okay, else if val1 is greater than val2, then return 1. Okay, so apple, banana, fig, mango, and orange. Okay, that's fine. But what if we want the sorting the other way? It's pretty straightforward. If this one is, we just alter the value. Okay. Alter the comparison. Okay, now we see the other way: orange, mango, fig, banana, apple, banana. So that's how you can use sort method. The key takeaway from this video is you can use sort method, you can use reverse method, obviously. And when you use sort method, sort takes a function as its argument. So you can create a function and then you can pass the sorting method. So in the next video, we're going to learn about manipulation methods using concat, slice, and splice. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.